Founded in 2009, Asyay continues its production journey in its modern facility, which is fully owned and built on an 11,000 square meter site, featuring 7,000 square meters of enclosed production area. With its strong technological infrastructure and expert team, it plays a pioneering role in its sector. Continuously strengthened through innovation and investments, Asyay has combined professionalism and experience to achieve many firsts in its sector, and today holds a leading position in İzmir and the Aegean region, while standing as a pioneering company across Turkey. Asyay manufactures standard and custom springs ranging from 0.10 mm to 42 mm, using its expert team and advanced fully automated machinery. In the field of machining, it also provides high-precision solutions through its modern production facility, positioning itself as a reliable business partner for various industries. All our products are subjected to high-precision measurements in our advanced quality control laboratory, equipped with CMM systems, spring compression and tensile load testing equipment ranging from 0.0001 Newton to 2,000 kilonewtons, as well as rupture and surface roughness testing devices. In addition, detailed analyses are performed for critical parameters such as hardness and surface quality. Asyay holds the domestic goods certificate along with TS 1442, TSEN 15800, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 27001, ISO 45001, IATF 16949, and AS 9100 quality certifications. As an approved supplier of the Ministry of National Defense, Asyay carries out 100% domestic and national production across all its processes in accordance with global standards. Asyay provides solutions to a wide range of industries, including the defense industry, automotive, white goods, and electronics sectors. Thanks to its strong inventory structure and dynamic production planning, it consistently delivers high-quality products to its customers on time and under competitive conditions. With its strong vision and innovative structure, Asyay carries Turkey's manufacturing power to the world. Today, industry professionals in many countries trust Asyay quality, and our brand maintains its presence in global markets with steadily increasing exports each year. With a daily production capacity of 1,500,000 units and an annual capacity of 550 million units, it is recognized as a reliable supplier both in Turkey and in international markets. By exporting 110 million products each year, we export not only products but also quality, trust, and engineering excellence. From design to raw material intake, from production to quality testing, and from storage to shipment, all processes are meticulously carried out within Asyay's own organization. Asyay combines its accumulated expertise from the past with today's technology to deliver fast, innovative, and value-added solutions. For strong and durable products, Asyay.